everyone, I am Keva Sanjay Parmar and I have been dreaming to make a banoffee pie since a long time, and this is Diwali, so I wanted to make a new dessert kind of thing. So I made banoffee pie and it turned out very nicely. Now what's a banoffee pie? It is basically banana plus toffee, which gives itself a name, that banoffee. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. We'll start by making the toffee. For that, you need to pressure cook condensed milk on medium flame for 20 minutes to make toffee. Now, you need to fill the pressure cooker with water, only less than half water it should have, and then you need to also keep the whistle on so that the whistle also blows out. Now, you need to make a cheesecake tin. For that, we are not gonna use a normal cheesecake tin, we are gonna make it with a cake tin. For that, you need to lay a cling wrap. Now make sure that you have sides left on the brim also, so that you can lift up the cheesecake. Now you need to start by making the layers of the banoffee pie. For that, you need 18 Marie biscuit packets. That is, you could take 10 rupees packets, it has 18 biscuits in it, or you can also use Parle G biscuits, and you have to crush them into fine powder as such. You can also do this method in a mixer blender. I am using a Ziploc bag to use this method. Now I'm transferring all the biscuit crush into a bowl. Now here I'm gonna add half cup of butter, which is melted butter. I have used normal Amul butter for this, and I'm now gonna mix it. Now there are some also pieces left, so I'm gonna crush it with the help of the spoon, and make sure that the color of the biscuits change into a little dark brown color. And now I'm gonna transfer the biscuit crush we've prepared into the cake tin, and I'm gonna press it with the help of the bowl and make an even layer. It's okay if your biscuits spread into the sides. Once you have laid and pressed the biscuits around completely, you need to refrigerate it for about 10 to 20 minutes, or until you do not start making the banoffee pie. For the toffee, once your toffee is done by pressure cooking it, you need to completely cool it down, and then you need to transfer it into a bowl and smoothen it out. Make sure that you do not skip this step, otherwise the lumps would come in the banoffee pie and it would not taste good. Now we'll be making the banoffee pie. For that, you need to lay one chopped banana as such. I have chopped one banana into very thin pieces so that it covers the whole area. Next, to cover up all the place with banana, you need to add in the toffee mix that we've smoothened out, and you need to spread it nicely and smoothen the top. Once you've completely smoothened out the toffee layer, you need to start laying the second chopped banana as such, and also do not forget to fill in the empty spaces. Now finally you need to add a layer of whipped cream. Now if you don't have whipped cream, you can also use fresh cream and then refrigerate it for 2 hours. But if you're using whipped cream, you need to refrigerate it for 1 hour. And make sure that you refrigerate it, because this is a dessert not for immediate consumption. It really needs some refrigeration. And now after 1 hour, you need to transfer the pie into a cake base by carefully lifting it from the sides of the cling film, and then you need to cut off the extra plastic and enjoy your banoffee pie. Hope you like this recipe, and I shall be back soon with another interesting recipe for Diwali. I mean, Diwali is just around the corner, so I'm introducing you all to all these new awesome recipes as much as I can make them. So yeah, until then, bye.